Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Knowledge Integration. This is Mr. Sabullah Khan, and today I'm here with my first lecture, and that is grammar. What is grammar? Grammar किसे कहते हैं? So आज हम grammar के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. So we will discuss the meaning of grammar and the definitions of grammar. So let's talk about the meaning of grammar. The rules and regulations of a language is called grammar. किसी भी जुबान की क़वाइद और ज़वाबित को grammar कहा जाता है. Now let's talk about the definitions of grammar. The arrangement of words in a sentence is called grammar. एक sentence में words की arrangement को grammar कहा जाता है. The second one, putting the right word in the right place is called grammar. सही जगह पर सही word की इस्तेमाल करने को grammar कहा जाता है. The third one, the key of a language is called grammar. Examples: I lost my phone. She cooks rice every morning. If you look at these examples, they are in arranged form. Therefore, they give complete meaning. अगर आप इस examples को देख लोगे, so they are in arranged form. इसलिए ये हमें एक complete meaning देता है. Now let's apply the definitions on these examples. The first definition, the arrangement of words in a sentence is called grammar. Second, putting the right word in the right place is called grammar. So once again, look into these examples. I lost my phone. Here this sentence is according to the rules and regulations of grammar. यहाँ पे जो sentence है, ये rules और regulations के मुताबिक है. तो ये हमें एक complete meaning देता है. First, subject is used, then verbs taken form, and afterward object are in sequence. And moreover, these are the positions of these parts of speech. Now let's talk about the third definition. As we said, the key of a language is called grammar. Why do we say this? Actually, here the keyword is used metaphorically. Here जो keywords है ये बतौर इस्तेआरा इस्तेमाल हुआ है, जिसका मतलब है grammar, which refers to the grammar. It means that a language cannot exist without a grammar, because grammar is essential for any language in order to learn that language according to the rules and regulations. So that was all about the grammar. Thank you so much.